What is more likely going to happen right now on Bitcoin? Well, we're going to cover this by using yellow waves, so we can really know more likely what we can expect next. Okay, as always, it's all about probabilities. Can we do something less probable? Yes, absolutely. So I'm going to show you now all the waves. Okay, this is just a quick update following the yesterday update, really. Yesterday, so I was looking for this possible ABC flat, into the wave 4 here, the red wave 4. We have planned some possible invalidation, for example, with the RSI, all of this. So if we had to get invalidation, we just had to switch, to this bigger yellow wave, the wave 5 here, the red wave here, 3, 4, 5 to be done. And so we take the bigger wave 3 here, and so we look for the wave 4, okay? So why we've got the invalidation, it's very simple here. Okay, I was looking for this possible with a wave 4 here, with a wave 5 later, with a wave 3 later, like this, with a possible, so ABC flat right here. So A, B retracement, and then a C like this, okay, because RSI made a new low here. The thing is, as always, we cannot, on the RSI, break the wave to bottom, so to speak. Here, for example, the wave 4, if we have to be in this configuration, okay, if we had to be in this configuration, the wave 4 here breaks the wave to bottom on the 2 hours. That is already a time frame I was looking for. I was spotting really to get invalidation. The 3 hours exactly the same, the 4 exactly the same. Okay, so you can see here we have some invalidation on every time frame, even the 8 hours here. So now we can just remove this configuration and play simply the wave 4 bottom. As we know, we place here. If we have to get this invalidation, we just take this like that, wave 4 here, and the wave 5 was done here. So we take the wave 4, bam, we pull it here, and we take the wave 5, we pull it here. And so in that case, we have done the bigger wave 3, and we're going to look now for the bigger wave 4 retracement. So what you can do here to find the wave 4 targets is simply to pull your retracement tool from the wave 3 top, okay, down to the wave 3 root or the wave 2 bottom. It depends how do you want to read this. As always, it's like this. If you reversed your tool in your settings right here, I reversed my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. Otherwise, if you did not reverse your tool like this, it's from the bottom to the top. Okay, hope that makes sense. So the thing is now, what we have to look for here for the wave 4. First of all, we have to be aware of what was the wave 2 retracement here. So the wave 2 was a regular, okay, to speak, when between the 56% and 66%. So when this happened, we have in that case more chance normally to go to the 38.2 on the wave 4. Now the thing is, we are in a very, very strong uptrend, so we are more likely going to look for the 23.6. Okay, now all of this is a buy zone really. Okay, all of this right here is a buy zone we have to be aware of now. But yeah, normally the 31.2 is more probable. Now as we're in a big uptrend and strong uptrend here, we normally should get something around 23.6. Okay, very important to understand that. Now, can we bounce even before that, for example, like this? Yes, it's absolutely something possible because we're in a very strong uptrend. Now, to make something a bit bigger, going to there, that will be, that will be cool, to be fair. Okay. So yeah, this is the plan really right now. Now the thing is, what you can do once you have done this, you find your target for the wave 4 is simply to pull your extension tool for the wave 5, so to speak, to find the wave 5 targets. Okay, so to do so, you have to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root, okay, so right here, to the wave 1 top, to the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that we're going to sum of the 23.6. You put in that case your wave 5 target, so 618, 1-to-1 extension, 1618, and 2618. From here, this in that case is the first target, the first resistance really you're going to get for the wave 5. So the first possible stop really. Then you have the 1-to-1 extension, then you have the 1618, and then you have the last target 2618. Be aware that the 1618 and the 2618 are never well touched to the dollar. Okay, so we can go, for example, we can spend some time a bit above the 1618 and then retrace, or if we have to go to the 2618, go a bit above and then retrace. It's possible. That's why add your levels in confidence with this to really know exactly more likely where we can retrace from. Okay. But yeah, this is the most probable target in any case, the first target here. And once you have done this, what you can do is simply, bam, in that case, we have done the big wave 3 top, okay, of this white waves. In that case, we do exactly the same. We pull the retracement from top, from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. And so again, here we go. We just pull the wave 4 target. So bam, wave 4 targets. We use in that case the 23.6 MC fib 31.32 down to the 31.2. This will become again the wave 4 target here. Okay. And so again, we do the wave 5 and extracts, right? We keep doing this wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay. So yeah, this is what we can look for now. Again, to make the wave 5 is really too early. Sorry. And so yeah, we can for now stay with these yellow waves. Okay, so this is what we can more likely look for right now on Bitcoin. Just gonna remove all of this because I already have this in a folder here. right there. Now the thing is, if the wave 4, okay, because it's good to plan some push-up like this, but we also have to be aware of that. What if we just get nothing at all good for a long in here and we just drop from here? Okay, again, I cover it now, the most probable scenario. I'm gonna now move on something a bit less probable, but still valid. Okay, if you want to understand more why we can do this, I highly recommend you to go and watch these videos right here. You have to go on the YouTube channel, go in the video section, scroll down a bit, and you will find this Bitcoin 50,000 here. That is the higher time frame bearish count. If you want to get the higher time frame bullish count, you have this one right here. This right here with a Bitcoin 108K is a bullish count. This right here is a bearish count. We have to be aware of both as a trader, as always. Is extremely important, so we're not like surprised of what is going on. We know already what to take next, and we can react really fast. Okay, so what if we take out the lows and get a continuation? We get nothing here, we get no wave 4, and we just get no wave 5, and we just get a drop here. What if we have to do this? Then it's very simple. Okay, we're just gonna we're just going to take, so remove that, okay, remove this targets and take this ABC zigzag to the upside. Okay, this is what we have planned to do yesterday. If we have to get nothing into here, we just take simply this ABC zigzag right there. Okay, to be done like that. And so now we look for in that case, if we have an ABC zigzag down, we look for a bigger drop. Why? Simply because of the high time frame context. What it means clearly, this ABC zigzag, it's just a correction in a Y leg. Okay, so to speak, from this W X retracement and Y here to the upside. And so we already went, as you can see here, into the first area. So now, if we have to drop and get nothing bullish at all into the wave 4, okay, again, in the wave 4 here, okay, if you were wondering, like, okay, what do you mean by getting something bullish in that wave 4? It's simply this. You just have to read this right here. This is an order flow. It allows you to see what's happening behind the market. So for example, we've got some big amount of shorts here coming on the market. You can see this because you have an incremental punch plus a negative delta. So you can see that in these two 5-minute count here, we've got some big amount of shorts here coming in. Okay, it allows you to see absorption, whereas limits, I mean, a lot of different data, you know, so you can make a really informed trading decision. So by reading this, you're able to make your decision if you ever not to take the trade. So if there is no reason to take the trade on the wave 4 right here, okay, on this wave 4 retracement, then it's very simple. I'm going to take this and I'm going to look for a bigger drop right here on Bitcoin and a possible nice continuation to the downside, okay, for a possible new low to be made. So yeah, just be aware of the scenario. This is not the main one. I don't want to make you bearish or whatever. I don't want to scare you, but this is a possibility we have to be aware of as a trader. If there is nothing going to the wave 4 target, then good, we're just going to look for this and we're just going to get a drop. This is simple as that, really. Now yeah, this is the first configuration we'll have to be aware of. Be aware that we can retrace less than this, it's possible, but yeah, normally this should be the first target. Okay, so anyway, I hope you all enjoyed. If you enjoyed, as always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. Also, if you can write some comment down below, this helps a lot. So you let me just tell me really if you enjoyed everything. And anyway, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.